What's up, guys? We're in a new video, and I wanted to show you my new dirt bike I got. I'm going to show you my old one, if you guys can see it. You can barely see it. I don't know. That's my old one, and my new one is right here. Let's see if we can switch this camera around. I don't know if I can switch the camera around, but you guys can barely see. You see it now? So that's one of my dirt bikes I got. This is the new one. That's the old one, if you guys can see. So I just wanted to show you guys my dirt bike. It is pretty nice. And check out my videos, because I'm gonna go riding on the weekend, because I can't go today. So comment below what you like. Which one do you want? Like that blue one I got. It's a Yamaha, and it's TTR 50 2006. And yeah, it is pretty fast. It goes through 3 gears. And it's got great tires, good tires. The only thing wrong about it, my boots are hard. When I'm trying to shift, see that? If you guys can see this, my boots are too big, so it's hard to push it up to get gears. This part right here, the metal part, it's making it hard. Those are great tires. They're brand new, but I did drive it. So it's a pretty bike, and I want you guys to subscribe and leave a thumbs up and watch my videos more, because I'm gonna go riding. And yeah, so bye and have a great day.